mowers are an excellent way to remove overgrown grasses from our lawns. But with traditional gas-powered mowers, we have to face harmful fumes and gases. In this case, electric mowers are flooding the market as they offer quieter, smoother operation and require less maintenance. We know Stihl is a prominent tool brand for constantly bringing price-worthy solutions to people of every trade. And it has a great lineup of cordless tools for gardening too. So today, we'll talk about the Stihl RMA 339C. It's a battery-powered lawnmower that gives you greater freedom of movement when gardening. So, let's see what the mower has to offer and if it's really worth buying.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
First and foremost, you'll be instantly impressed by its look. Having a sleek color combo of orange and white, this mower looks stunning. It's made with a high-quality polymer, which makes it a durable option for years of use. It means it'll be a good option for people who are concerned about the longevity. Plus, the foldable handlebar mechanism enables space-free storage, so if you have small room for your tools, storing the mower will not be an annoyance at all. Oh, there are also some additional handles that make transportation a breeze, so you can roam around the garden with the fullest freedom. As the mower runs on batteries, you might be thinking about the runtime and power consistency. Well, Stihl is claiming that you'll get plenty of runtime from its 36-volt lithium-ion AK30 battery. To be more specific, you can mow nearly 400 meters square on a single charge, meaning you'll never run out of juice in the middle of a job. Talking about versatility, the 339C comes with an eco mode that adjusts the blade speed to suit different grass conditions, whether it's thick or thin, dry or wet. But that's not all. The cordless lawnmower has a central cutting height adjustment system, which helps you to get the right height for the perfect grass length. It means overgrown grasses are no longer a headache. When it comes to control and operation, no one wants to consider efficiency. That's why Stihl comes with a height-adjustable handle that stands for more relaxed pushing and instant action. Let's not skip the cutting part. This cordless mower has a quality blade that lasts long and ensures perfect cuts every time, leaving your lawn looking perfectly manicured. An interesting feature of this 339C mower is its automatic grass collection, so you won't have to manually pick up the grasses. Ah, that's so annoying. Well, this mower also has a clever level indication feature, which gives you an instant notification when the grass catcher box is full. But how do you empty the grass catcher box? No worries. This mower has a mono comfort handlebar, which makes the process easy and effort-free. Plus, you don't need to think about the capacity. The strong airflow fills the box right to the top. Last but not least, the Stihl RMA 339C has 4 rugged wheels that withstand almost every terrain of your lawn and drives the mower smoothly, causing no hassle even on long-term cleanings. Okay, that was all about the Stihl RMA 339C cordless lawnmower. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.